Okay, first thing you gotta do is you gotta get rid of this battery and this little switch right here. Alright, because like I said, these batteries, they don't last very long. Basically you got two power wires hooked to the switch, and then a ground coming from the switch to the batteries. And then you got your two grounds, which are black. They have black stripes on them. Black and red is the ground. Red is your power, okay? Just cut the wires here for your power. Cut the wires up here. Okay, let's do it this way. The two wires running into the switch that are red, you cut those right there at the switch. Want as much length as possible so you got enough to hide and still have enough length to run where you need it to run to. And then the other two are grounds and they run straight to the battery. Just cut them off right there at the battery pack. Okay, do that real quick. Real simple. Alright, now you've got LEDs by themselves, each one. You put them wherever you want. Now I've already got two installed in the top of this case, and what's happening is the shadows from everything is making it pretty dark down here. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get some more light to show off the graphics card. So what I was thinking, I'm gonna put one right here behind this, because you know you want it to be hidden, you don't want it to be out in the open, or at least I don't. So I'm gonna put one here like so, and then I'm gonna put one behind this side facing towards the graphics card. So I'm gonna have one here facing towards the graphics card, like directly that way, and then I'm gonna have one kind of facing that way, and hopefully that'll give me some good lighting. The first thing you want to do is figure out some good cable management. I'm thinking of taking the one on this side. So I need to take off this back panel. So what I'm going to do is, there's a little hole back here that I can run some cables through, and I'm going to run some cables through here. Try to be best as I can. Make sure I got enough length right here. There you go. Thinking I might just do that. Yeah. And go ahead and take this red paper off. Just protects the adhesive so it doesn't go bad. And then you just stick it wherever you want. Like I said, for me, I'm going to stick mine right here. Very easy, just like that. Already done. Okay. Now the only other thing I need to do, I might need to put some tape down there to keep them wires hidden. I don't want them to pop out of there. But I can do that later. The only other thing I gotta do is plug them into a mullet. First you gotta strip the wires. If you don't have a wire stripper, which I suggest you get one, you can do it my way, but it's not really good for your teeth. was, let's see if I can find it. I took a Molex that I had hooked up to an old fan, and basically I spliced the wire that was already there and put some wire caps on it. I don't know if you can see that or not, but as you can see, here's the old wire. It goes up to a Molex, and I just made sure that the red and the black and red were hooked up to the right positive and negatives. On this particular Molex cable, red and black is here. That's for your ground. Red is for your positive. Okay, so we'll go ahead and hook up the negative wires first. Like I said, I did it the lazy man's way. I just spliced into the wires. You can actually go into these Molex connectors, take out the metal that's holding the wires in there, and put your wire in it, and then put the little metal part back in there, and it would work just fine. Alright, now we got our grounds hooked up. Now let's go hook up our positives. Put the caps back on. Clean up the cable management, and we're done installing. I'm going to put all this back together and show you guys what the end result is. Alright. Alrighty, now I've got the panels put back on. Got all the wires covered up. Let's see what she looks like. Oh yeah, I like that a lot. That's where the light's coming in from that side, where we installed it over there. There's where the light's coming in on that side, where we installed it over there. And these up here where I had already had two of them installed up here at the top. Which you can see pretty good. Thinking about maybe mounting my SSDs back here. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I think that would look pretty cool. Just to give you guys a quick shot of what everything looks like. Pretty nice. Cable management, now I gotta put some tape on that or something to get it to stay back under there. I think it looks pretty nice. You can still see a shadow right here, and that's because of this 100 or 240 millimeter fan that's installed in the top. I'm going to take that out, and I'm going to put a 140 millimeter fan up there. Maybe I'll get an LED fan, I'm not sure. A white one with the white LEDs to match those, and then probably give it a little bit more lighting in there. But overall, I think the look looks really nice. It really brightens the case up, shows off all the hardware, and you know me, I'm a hardware junkie, so gotta have it. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos of crazy shit I do with PCs, and subscribe and like for me, and go over to Facebook and look up Hardware Junkies, check it out, or click on the link below. And also got a Google Plus page going on. Not much right now, but I'm trying to get it there. Alright, well, thanks guys for checking it out. See you on the next one.